Interesting facts you definitely didn't know. Last one will surprise you. Your mind can sense when someone is watching you, even when you are sleeping. The average person will consume about 35 tons of food in their lifetime. If you can make other people laugh easily, you have above average intelligence. Only 10% of people get it right. I dare you to type your name with your phone upside down. People who stay up late tend to be more intelligent than people who sleep early. Most people get nervous when they hear the phrase, "we need to talk." Gasoline activates an area in the brain related to pleasure, which is why we become addicted to the smell. If you comment stun, you will unlock an awesome emoji. When you sneeze, your heart stops beating for 1 second. According to studies, you get smarter every day if you like and follow me.